Whoa, tired of scrubbing bird bombings off your car or losing the battle against grime on your driveway? Say hello to the EGO Power Plus HPW3204, the superhero your outdoor cleaning never knew it needed. Imagine blasting away dirt and making stubborn stains tremble with fear. Our trusty EGO delivers a bone-crushing 3,200 psi of pure pressure wash power and doesn't even break a sweat. Two mighty lithium-ion batteries power this beast, so you can unleash chaos on the muck minus the cord clutter. Is your patio party ready? With this power washer, it's a piece of cake. Just aim, squeeze, and watch the magic happen. Garden gnomes beware, the patio is getting a glistening makeover. And did I mention it's as quiet as a ninja? Your neighbors will thank you for the peaceful cleaning. Whether you're dealing with a muddy deck or dirty siding, the EGO Power Plus makes everything look like a walk in the park. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. Seriously, it's like handling a cloud that spits rainbows of clean. Ready to transform your cleaning game forever? Click the link in the description below and gear up for power and pristine like never before. Your future clean self will thank you. Power on and clean smart with the EGO Power Plus today.